Software, it's everywhere. It's in our airplanes, our computers, GPSs,
Video games,
and even in our smartphones.
Oh, my precious.
Well, imagine life without any of it.
What am I gonna do?
Obviously, it'd be quite a tragedy for most of us.
Luckily, we have software engineers
To allow you to have a high-tech lifestyle. Most people think that software engineering is just programming, but it really is more than that. First, software engineers must identify a need. Then, they design a solution. Next, the programming takes place. After that, they test the software. And finally, they market the software product and sell it. Software engineers are expected to have certain skills including an in-depth knowledge of the many programming languages and methods, exceptional analytical and problem-solving skills, excellent communication skills, both verbal and written, an expert at time management and organization, and strong in math and science. Also, they must pay close attention to detail, especially when testing the software and looking for bugs.
Ew, bugs?
No, not those kind of bugs. For software engineers, a bug refers to any defect in the software. Any undetected bugs can result in problems that range from simply
Ugh, my iPod's broken.
to as serious as
Oh no, the software's failing.
software engineers almost always work in teams. Why don't we let Gail Baker, a current employee at Agilent Technologies, whom I interviewed, tell us about how the team members collaborate.
So email is one of the ways that we communicate. Instant messaging is another way. We do a lot of that.
Yeah.
Phone conferencing, a lot of that. So there's a lot of communication that goes on between the group because we're cross.
I observed Gary Homland, who also works at Agilent. I was lucky enough to listen in on his daily phone conference and was informed that team members live all over the world. A typical workday tends to average about 8 hours, either in their cubicle or at home. Each team member works on his portion of the project, which involves fixing bugs, adding new features to the product, creating tests, writing documents, and working with customers. Overall, the working environment seemed like a pleasant, rewarding, and productive place. Software engineers have at least a bachelor's degree in computer science or some other form of engineering, and many of them have a master's or doctorate degree.
So how much do these people get paid?
90% of software engineers have an annual wage of $130,000, while some make well over $150,000.
I guess that's worth the schooling.
By the year 2020, positions in software engineering will grow 38%, and there will be 1.4 million open jobs in the field related to computing. 2/3 of these jobs will be unfilled by Americans and will be outsourced. But if you want to earn a generous salary and keep these jobs in America, then join me and become a software engineer.